Cloudflare going down this morning. I wanted to record a video. I
So
couldn't even
funny.
record a video because obviously a lot of the stuff I do, I'm using Claude Code and I need internet access to whatever. Claude Code was fine, but like the documentation and stuff like that was down. Webflow websites were down. Streamyard was down. We might not have been able to stream today if it wasn't for them getting it back into gear. So infrastructure wise, I think Google's stock price went up because Cloudflare are basically affiliated with AWS. I think it's maybe an AWS thing.
Okay.
We'll find out.
I don't know what happened, but why is this happening so often? Like
scary,
last year it wasn't like that. So no, I know it's not vibe coding, but something is happening. Why is this happening so often? I really don't know.
It's weird. And what's more scary is how lost we are, you know, when it does go down.
Yeah, like when one company goes down, it's not even one company. Like when AWS, what was it, like one server, the DNS configurator or whatever it was went down, like half the internet was down, and everybody panicked, and it was just one server. It's crazy how dependent we are.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.